Welcome to the ultimate holiday magic brought to your home by Juegoal. Get ready to transform your space into a festive wonderland with the Juegoal 6-foot pre-lit optical fiber Christmas artificial tree. This enchanting Christmas tree is a masterpiece that will add elegance and charm to any space, whether it's your entryway, luxury loft, or living room. With 230 branch tips and 36 delicate snowflakes included for you to decorate, it's the perfect canvas for your holiday creativity. Just make your Christmas unforgettable with the Juegoal Christmas tree. But what truly sets this tree apart is the breathtaking lighting display. It comes pre-lit with fiber optics that line the branches, along with 41 low-voltage LED color-changing lights. Plus, there's a brilliant star on top that crowns your tree in style. All these lights combine to create a festive and enjoyable Christmas atmosphere in your home. The best part? These dazzling optical fiber lights will continue to shine, twinkling with holiday joy as long as the tree is plugged in. Just imagine the cozy, magical ambiance they'll bring to your celebrations. Worried about the setup? Don't be. We've made it quick and easy for you. The Juegoal Christmas tree comes in 2 sections that slot together effortlessly, and a sturdy metal stand is included to ensure it stands tall and proud. Simply drop the branches into place, do a bit of tweaking to create that lush fullness, and voila, your Christmas masterpiece is ready. Speaking of the metal stand, it's crafted from heavy-duty iron, and it even features a scratch-resistant soft leather case to protect your floor and the stand itself. We've thought of everything to make your holiday preparations hassle-free. Now, let's talk about quality. We take pride in delivering only the best to our customers. The leaves of this Christmas tree are made from high-quality PVC material. Not only does it give the tree a full and realistic look, but it also adds durability, making your tree more resistant to wear and tear. Plus, this tree is hypoallergenic, so it's perfect for every member of your family. It's too tiny. You don't have to worry about allergies or sensitivities. Safety and non-toxicity are essential, especially during the holidays. Rest assured, our tree is completely non-toxic to the environment and safe for you and your loved ones. With 230 branch tips and 77 LED lights, including 36 LED snowflakes shining in a mesmerizing array of colors, this tree is a sight to behold. It's an invitation for everyone to gather round, create lasting memories, and celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. So, what are you waiting for? Make this Christmas unforgettable with the Juegoal 6-foot pre-lit optical fiber Christmas artificial tree. Order now and watch your space transform into a festive wonderland that you, your family, and your friends will adore. With Juegoal, every holiday is a celebration. Light up your holiday season with the Juegoal Christmas tree,